Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech. If you're passionate about top-tier audio and video gear, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Bluesound Node Icon wireless multi-room music streamer. This flagship device is built for the audio-obsessed, boasting cutting-edge technology, premium design, and exceptional sound quality. In this in-depth review, we'll cover its features, design, performance, and what makes it a standout in the high-end music streaming world. Stick around to find out if the Node Icon is the ultimate upgrade your audio setup deserves. The Bluesound Node Icon is a premium wireless music streamer engineered for true audiophiles. It combines innovative technology and high-end craftsmanship to deliver an unrivaled listening experience. With its Bluesound dual mono design powered by two ESS Sabre ES9039Q2M DAC chipsets, a durable aluminum chassis, and a beautiful 5-inch full-color display, the Node Icon is a top-tier device designed to bring high-res audio streaming into your home effortlessly. Whether you're a casual listener or an audio perfectionist, this device sets new standards for music streaming. When it comes to design, the Node Icon truly shines. Its aluminum cabinet provides durability while maintaining a sleek, modern look. The large front glass panel seamlessly integrates with its stunning 5-inch full-color display, offering essential information at a glance. Every detail, from its precision-engineered edges to its proximity-sensing touch panel, has been crafted with the audio enthusiast in mind. The Node Icon doesn't just sound good, it looks the part, making it a perfect fit for any premium audio setup. The Bluesound Node Icon delivers cutting-edge performance thanks to its dual mono DAC design featuring two industry-leading ESS Sabre ES9039Q2M chipsets. This advanced setup provides superior dynamic range, ultra-low distortion, and a breathtakingly clear audio output. With built-in BlueOS wireless multi-room platform, Apple AirPlay 2, aptX adaptive Bluetooth, and HDMI eARC, the Node Icon offers seamless streaming from popular services like Spotify, Tidal, and more. Its extensive input-output options, including balanced XLR and optical ports, ensure compatibility with virtually any audio system. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the Node Icon. On the positive side, it offers exceptional audio clarity, an ultra-premium build, and unmatched connectivity options. Its advanced DAC setup ensures pristine sound across all music genres, making it perfect for audiophiles. However, one consideration is that the room calibration kit for Dirac Live is sold separately, which might be a minor drawback for those seeking complete acoustic optimization out of the box. We compared the Node Icon with other leading music streamers, and it consistently came out on top in terms of sound quality, design, and functionality. Its ability to connect to virtually any high-performance amplifier, powered speaker, or headphone makes it highly versatile. Whether you're streaming high-res audio or connecting to your TV via HDMI eARC for cinematic sound, the Node Icon integrates seamlessly into any home entertainment setup. The Bluesound Node Icon is a game-changer in the world of music streaming. Its cutting-edge DAC technology, premium design, and expansive connectivity options make it a top contender for anyone serious about audio. Whether you're upgrading your hi-fi system or starting fresh, the Node Icon is a worthwhile investment that delivers exceptional performance and timeless design. Thanks for tuning in to HiFi AV Tech. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Bluesound Node Icon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert audio and video tech reviews. See you next time.